Two of the biggest names in insurance go head-to-head, but which one truly protects you best? On one side, a Progressive, known for its innovative features and quirky ads. On the other, State Farm, trusted for decades by millions of drivers. Forget the slogans and the mascots, let's talk about what really matters to you. We'll score each key category, from coverage options to claims experience, and add up the results. The winner, it just might surprise you. Before we get all nitty-gritty, here's a quick mind map of what we'll be comparing: price, customer service, coverage options, claims experience, and finally, availability plus discounts. Alright, with that set, let's get into it. Starting off with price, and honestly this is where lots of people make their decision. So Progressive comes out swinging with some of the lowest average premiums for a ton of drivers, like the rates can be super competitive. Oh, and here's something cool, they have the Name Your Price tool, which is actually kind of genius if you ever feel overwhelmed building a policy. Now, on the flip side, State Farm is still strong here, and if you're bundling or crushing it with a safe driving program, you can tap into some pretty great discounts. And I gotta be honest, those standard premiums usually come in a bit higher than Progressive's. So for overall value, Progressive just kinda takes the crown here. Now, talking customer service here, where things flip a little. With Progressive, you get 24/7 claims support and this ultra-modern digital experience. Super convenient for some, but their customer satisfaction ratings, not as shiny as you'd hope, especially if you're someone who likes that warm, fuzzy feeling when dealing with your insurer. State Farm, though, this is their power move. Massive agent network, you get that personal touch. Someone you can actually talk to face-to-face. They totally crush it in the JD Power Satisfaction rankings too. Yep, State Farm is hands down the better pick if customer service matters to you. Next up, coverage options. This one's actually closer than you'd expect. So Progressive is super innovative, right? They'll cover stuff like pet injuries, rideshare, even tricked-out custom parts. You get legit flexibility. There's a catch though, not every state offers things like guaranteed asset protection, so just check your zip before getting too excited. State Farm, meanwhile, sticks to more traditional territory, but their add-ons are solid. Rental and travel coverage, emergency roadside, you name it. Some extras do cost a bit more than with Progressive, but overall you get a lot to play with from both providers. Honestly, this one's a tie. Wait, quick fun fact break. Did you know State Farm is actually the largest auto insurer in the whole US? But get this, Progressive insures more motorcycles than anyone else. Yeah, I thought that was kind of wild too. Okay, back to the showdown. Alright, so let's talk claims experience. With Progressive, you'll find digital tools everywhere, which is great if you want a speedy, online-first process. But real talk, their claims satisfaction is like just okay, especially in those JD Power rankings. State Farm totally brings their A-game here. The agent system means you're way more likely to get personalized, speedy, and honestly fair service when something goes wrong. Plus, overall satisfaction ratings in claims are kind of their whole flex, so this one is an easy win for State Farm. Last major category, availability and discounts. Both of these brands are asterisk everywhere in the US, so no surprises there. Progressive is super easy to get a quote with online and has a big mix of discounts and loyalty perks, but okay, a few of those are a bit patchy region-wise. State Farm is in it for the long haul with those strong student, safe driver, and bundling discounts, though yeah, sometimes it's actually a bit harder to qualify. So both are pretty evenly matched overall. Let's call it a tie here. If you look at the score chart, you'll spot the clear standouts. Progressive really dominates on price and stands strong in coverage, but State Farm just nails it with customer service and the claims process. It's interesting, right? There's definitely no single winner across the board. Honestly, if you love a bargain and want to tweak every detail of your policy, Progressive is basically a dream. But if you value having a real agent in your corner, or you just want everything to run smoothly when life happens, State Farm's hard to beat. Both are heavyweights, you just gotta pick what matters most to you. If this comparison helped you work out which insurer's your vibe, stick around, hit subscribe, and catch the next insurance breakdown with us.